King Nebuchadnezzar made an image of gold, 60 cubits high, and 6 cubits wide, and set it up on the plain of Dura in the province of Babylon. Then the herald loudly proclaimed, "Nations and peoples of every language, this is what you are commanded to do, as soon as you hear the sound of the horn, flute, zither, lyre, harp, pipe and all kinds of music, you must fall down and worship the image of gold that King Nebuchadnezzar has set up. Whoever does not fall down and worship will immediately be thrown into a blazing furnace."
I cannot. I will not worship that.
No!
Therefore, as soon as they heard the sound of the horn, flute, zither, lyre, harp and all kinds of music, all the nations and peoples of every language fell down and worshipped the image of gold that King Nebuchadnezzar had set up. But there was 3 men did not bow down to the image.
With all our hearts we follow you.
Bow your heads!
And seek your presence. With all my heart I follow you. I fear you. I seek your presence.
Bring them!
Oh, my friends, your faith will be tested now.
Daniel! What's wrong with them? Why will your friends not bow to me?
I assure you, sire, they will serve you faithfully, all their lives, as I will, but... But they will only worship God.
I will make them bow.
With all our heart we follow you. We fear you. We seek your presence. With all our heart we follow you. We fear you. We seek your presence.
When we wish to bend something that is hard and unyielding, what do we do with it? We put it into the fire.
Majesty,
Take him!
we fear you. And we seek your presence.
Burn them! Majesty, no! Burn them! What? No! Bring oil! Come! Fire! Bring me fire!
Hear my cry. The cords of death entangle me. The anguish of the grave consumes me. Do not ignore my tears. I am overcome by sorrow. I call upon the name of the Lord. Lord, save me!
My enemies will be dogged. They will turn back in shame.
Why do they not burn?
People of Judah, rise! God is with us! He's with us! God is with us!